Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best truck subs on Amazon. Perhaps they can't produce the low frequencies that give your music that extra punch you can feel in your gut. Truck subs are designed to reproduce the extra low frequencies from your audio system. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Rockville RW10CA Active Powered Car Subwoofer. This 800-watt speaker system delivers crisp and clear bass in a small package. We love its deep, impressive bass. It is C2006 compliant, which means that it has been tested by the Consumer Electronics Association, and it produces the power the manufacturer says it does. It features high-level inputs that make it easy for you to turn it on and off. Installing a subwoofer in a truck is not easy because most people don't know where to install one in the first place. Rockville made the job simpler by creating a compact subwoofer at only 2.7 inches thick that fits under the driver's or passenger's seat. It has a thermal protection circuit, a short protection circuit, and an overload protection circuit. The sub has awesome controls that allow you to modify the sound to your liking. It also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. But it has a few downsides. For starters, it is not very durable. Number 2. Rockville RWS12 Circa Car Subwoofer Enclosure. The RWS12 Circa has a powerful amplifier and a sturdy enclosure for optimal bass reproduction. It features a 150 MV5V variable input level and automatic turn-on circuitry and easily pairs with any factory system with little wiring. You can easily install and remove the speaker thanks to its angled terminals. It has high-level and low-level inputs for integration with factory and aftermarket head units. This super slim sub has a power handling capacity of 300 watts RMS and 1200 watts peak. It has a low-pass crossover frequency range of 50 Hz 250 Hz and a 4 ohm impedance. We like its adjustable low-pass crossover, remote bass control, and gain control range. You can install it in a car's trunk or under a truck's seats. This is one of the smallest subwoofers manufactured by Rockville, but don't let its small size fool you. It produces very intense bass. However, it tends to heat up very quickly because it lacks a built-in fan. It also has a poor bass response compared to other speakers with similar specifications. Number 3. Rockford Fosgate Prime Shallow Mount Subwoofer. Don't let its compact size fool you. This 10-inch Rockford Fosgate sub means serious business. Paired with a slim enclosure, it can be installed in compact trunk spaces or behind the seats of trucks. The subwoofer has a 2 ohm impedance. Rockford Fosgate has become very popular in recent years, and both Ford and Mitsubishi use its audio systems in their cars. Its mid-range subs are not expensive and have solid sound quality. This speaker has a well-built enclosure and distributes sound very well. The enclosure is covered with a high-density carpet and has quick-release compression terminals. However, we're not too pleased with the bass response. Even when you turn up the volume, the bass sounds more like treble. Number 4. Rockville 800-watt Ported Powered Truck Subwoofer. The Rockville RMW8A is a compact, powered subwoofer designed for trucks. It features an 8-inch subwoofer driver and built-in amplifier. The ported enclosure is designed to enhance the bass response and provide a powerful sound. It has a peak power output of 800 watts and RMS power output of 200 watts. The slim design of Rockville RMW8A makes it easy to fit in your truck without taking up too much space. It can be installed under the seat or in the trunk, allowing you to enjoy powerful bass without sacrificing space. The subwoofer comes with a built-in amplifier, making installation a breeze. You don't need to worry about purchasing a separate amplifier or wiring the subwoofer driver to the amplifier. It produces a powerful sound with deep and clear bass. The ported enclosure enhances the bass response, providing a dynamic and immersive sound experience. Number 5. Dual Electronics Enclosed Car Subwoofers. If you own a large truck and you like impressive speakers, you'll be delighted by these subwoofers. They do a lot more than just pump out great bass. Their illuminite lighting system produces a cool blue glow, making your vehicle look as great as it sounds. The speaker enclosure has a 12-volt input that powers the illuminite system. An on-off toggle switch allows you to control all of the action. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.